Good afternoon, everyone. Hope you're doing well. I've been invited to do a collaboration share with Chefwannabe's Life's channel. She's going to be doing one of my recipes, and I'm going to be doing one of her recipes. I've chosen to do the keto, low-carb, crusted chicken pizza. I'm going to do that today, and then she's going to do one of mine. So I'm going to leave her link underneath my description box so you can check out her channel. She's almost to 1,000 subscribers, so please help her out. Thank you. Have a great day. Okay, to get started, I have cut my chicken breast into little flat pieces, and then I'm going to put it in between parchment paper and take this mat beater thing. I'm going to get it really thin. Like that. It's really thin. Okay, I'm going to add some oil to my skillet. Okay, I'm going to season my chicken with some pizza seasoning. You can find this under her channel too. Put that season side down. I'm going to season the top. I'm going to flip them. Okay, now that I've got my chicken fried in the skillet and I've got it in the pan and on my baking sheet, I'm going to add some marinara sauce or pizza sauce. If you can find the low sugar kind, use it. It has less carbs in it. And you put this over top of the chicken. You're going to pretend like the chicken is your crust. And then you spread it out. You can use whatever kind of toppings that you like for pizza. Okay, I've got some mozzarella cheese. So I'm going to put some mozzarella cheese on there. Now I'm going to add some sausage. Some pepperoni. I'm gonna put some red bell peppers. You can add whatever you want, whatever you like. Okay, I'm gonna put mushrooms on part of them, not all of them. Mushrooms on these. Okay. Now I'm gonna bake in the oven until the cheese melts and the pepperoni gets crispy. And I'll show you what they look like. There we go. That's what they look like when they got done. This is what the chicken crusted pizza looked like when it came out of the oven. It looks delicious. Okay, I'm gonna give it a try. See what it tastes like. Here's my plate. That is good. I give it a thumbs up. Thank you, Chefwannabe's Life. I appreciate you asking me to do this. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.